Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to set live wallpaper on iPhone from Pinterest. So first step is going to be downloading the wallpaper itself. So for that you can use the search option below, and let's just say we have live wallpaper iPhone, and we have a set of options in here. So you can see we got this car, we have something from, I guess, Naruto, Kakashi actually. Okay, so this looks pretty dang. We have cars, a lot of stuff. So first of all, you need to download this. You can use any third-party downloading website on your browser of your choice. Once you have that, simply head over to your settings, and over there you need to simply head over to your personalization. So you have your wallpaper in your below your general settings. You can see we have wallpaper. You can add in here a new wallpaper, and once you do add that video over here, you will be able to add it as live wallpaper, and that's the only way to do it. So I hope this helps, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.